Breaking news coming in right there. Rajiv Gandhi assassination convict Nalini has written to Tamil Nadu Chief Minister M.K. Stalin requesting that she and her husband Murugan, who is also a convict in the Rajiv Gandhi assassination case, be released on a long parole. She has sought a month-long parole. Nalini and Murugan are amongst the 7 who are serving sentence in the former Prime Minister Rajiv Gandhi assassination case. The convicts in the case have served close to 30 years in prison now. Already multiple appeals by political parties in the state for the release of the 7 prisoners have been going on. So Rajiv's killer, Nalini and Murugan seeking a month-long parole. The convicts write to Chief Minister Stalin for this particular parole is the breaking news coming in at the moment. Akshaya is joining us for the very latest. Akshaya, what's going on? Nalini Murugan amongst the 7 people who are serving their sentence in the former Prime Minister Rajiv Gandhi's assassination case. The convicts have served close to 30 years jail term, and now they're writing to Chief Minister Stalin asking for a long parole.
Oh, well, yes, Chethi, what we're seeing here in the state of Tamil Nadu is that Rajiv Gandhi assassination convict Nalini has written to the Chief Minister through a program that was started by the Chief Minister stating that in your constitution, your CM. So people have been writing their grievances to the Chief Minister. In that way, Nalini has also written requesting that she and her husband Murugan, who have been serving prison term for more than 30 years, be given a long-term parole. Already on June 29th, Nalini had written to the Chief Minister requesting for a month-long parole, and now this long parole comes along with a reminder that she wants that 1 month long parole as well. So at this point we are seeing that multiple requests have been made by most of the Rajiv Gandhi assassination convicts and their family members requesting that on humanitarian ground they be released. And it needs to be seen that in the coming week, Nalini's mother Padma, she is also likely to meet the Chief Minister and also tell him about their request, and we have to see what is going to happen. But this is a long-standing demand of most of the political parties, including Chief Minister M.K. Stalin has written to President Ramnath Kovind earlier, reminding him of the letter that was given as a resolution passed by the cabinet in Tamil Nadu Assembly as well, talking about the release of the 7 convicts. What will happen? That's something that we'll have to wait and watch now, Chethi.
All right, we leave it at that, Akshaya. Thanks so much. It's a wait and watch for now.